PJ Masks, time to be a hero. Connor, Amaya, and Greg are at the fair. I want to ride the train, Amaya says. But where is it? The train is gone. The PJ Masks can't find it. Greg becomes Gekko. Connor becomes Catboy. Amaya becomes Owlette. They are the PJ Masks. Owlette really wants to ride the train. She is in a rush to find it. Owlette jumps into the cat car. Come on, she says. She uses her owl eyes to see far away. Owlette sees the train. Romeo is driving it. Romeo is using the train to chase his lab. His lab is zooming around the city by itself. He wants to catch it. The PJ Mask jumps onto the train. Owlette rushes ahead to stop Romeo. Wait for us, Gekko and Catboy says. Romeo catches Owlette. Gekko and Catboy help her escape. I am sorry, Owlette says. I should have listened and not rushed. It is time to be a hero. Owlette has a plan. The PJ Mask will work together. Catboy gathers some branches. He throws them to Owlette. Gekko climbs onto the train. Owlette throws the branches to Gekko. He jams the train tracks with them. The train is out of control. Gekko is very strong. He stops the train. The train cars swing around the lab and trap it. Romeo leaves the train. He is so happy to have his lab back. PJ Masks all shout, hooray! Because in the night we saved the day. The PJ Masks return the train to the fair. The day is saved. The end. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And also check out my other videos and playlists. Thanks for watching. Bye!